reached the zoo today, and tonight we're going to visit Rainforest Lumina. Not sure what it looks like, but it looks interesting. The child will cost you about $12.60, but the adult is about $16. Looks deserted. Okay. So this is a wristband that you can acquire free here. You ever see this? Gazillions of fireflies. I'm blowing this microphone to summon those effects out. Okay, so what I think about this Rainforest Lumina is it's quite interactive, but maybe it's not so interesting for us adults, but the kids love it. So yeah, I think it's a great experience for them to come over and experience and interact with all the light shows. Well, I was expecting there is some sort of interaction between animals and illuminations, but unfortunately there's not, so which gave me some kind of disappointment there. If you ask me if I've enjoyed this Rainforest Lumina, I would say no. Because to come back here, I don't think we will. Maybe the night safari instead. That's a wrap for my video for today. If you like my videos, please remember to subscribe below. Thank you so much. Bye.